Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have HUAWEI Nova 12S and I want to show you how to add event to your calendar on this device. To do that, open calendar application. In it, tap on the day when we want to add our event, maybe 29th of April, and there this plus icon. First we can add title of our event, there we can add location of that. And now we can set when event starts and finish in which time, or we can set it will be all day. Repeat of our event if we need it, maybe every week, every year, what you need or prefer. There we can custom option too. Reminder maybe today before at 9, and we can add more than one. There we can set it, it will be important and we get notification it is very important. Event account, we can add this event to more accounts than our, maybe to our group on Gmail or something like that. Attachment and description to that. After we set all we need, we press this icon to save it, and we have it. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.